You must have seen these kinds of hugging videos on the internet, and they're becoming quite viral. As interesting as these videos look, they're just as easy to make. I tried 2 or 3 AI tools to make such videos, but none of their results were that great. That's why in today's video, I brought an AI tool whose output is much better compared to all other AI tools. So, let's create such an AI video in 2 simple steps. First step, combining 2 different photos. You can use any editing tool for this. For this video, I'm going to use Adobe Express. So you need to search for Adobe Express on Google. Then click on the first link to go to the Adobe Express website. Now, you need to click on Get Adobe Express Free. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. After creating the account, you'll reach the Adobe Express dashboard. Now, you need to click on Custom Size and create any landscape size. Once the size is created, you need to upload any 2 images that you want to animate. After uploading the images, you need to resize both images side by side. Now you'll click on the download button to download your image. Now you need to search for Video Studio on Google and click on the first link. Once you're on the Video Studio homepage, you need to click on Create Video. You'll need to create an account on Video Studio, which will give you some free credits. Now, you need to upload the image that you created in Adobe Express. Now you'll type this prompt. Now simply click on the Create button. In just a few moments, your AI hugging video will be ready. So, send this video to those friends who are interested in AI and comment on what kind of AI videos you want to create next. We'll bring our next video on that topic.